Christina and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a shoe unboxing, so I'm super excited. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Christina. I make new videos every single week, so be sure to subscribe. It helps you support my channel, and then that way you'll be notified when new videos come out. So I just wanted to announce that if you watched my last vlog, then you know what this is all about. Definitely check that out where I got the wrong pair of shoes, but Nordstrom did correct it, but it was kind of like pretty much a shit show. So the new pair is finally here. I'm so excited to share it with you. So if you are interested in watching me unbox these, stay tuned. Alright guys, so when you watched my last vlog, you noticed that I got the wrong heel height. It's the same shoe, same color, but definitely the wrong heel height. That's why I felt like the other ones were like a total grandma pair. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will link my vlog below in the description box so that you can watch that first and then maybe watch this, or you can do it either way, but then you'll have some idea of what I'm talking about. But anyway, here is the Gucci box and I'm gonna open it. Alright you guys, so it comes with this really cute dust bag. And then here are the shoes. Actually, it comes with 2 dust bags. Awesome, that's nice. So that when you're traveling, you have one for each shoe. But these are the Gucci Marmont, and I had got them in the gold color, and they're so fun. I think they're so cute. But this was the big difference with the other ones, was the heel height. So as you can see, this is a much bigger heel. It's probably double the size of the other one. It's a 2-inch, maybe 2.5. Where the other one was like really little, like 1/2 inch, maybe 1 inch. But everything else about the shoe is the same, but for me the heel height does make a difference, and this to me is still a very comfortable heel. The other one, like, I like a little bit of a heel like this. The other one that I got by accident, like, I don't know, it was too grandma for me. I just didn't like how low it was. And these are comfortable, and these actually run smaller than the other shoe. The 6 fit perfect, but in the other shoe with the lower heel, the 6 was like a teeny bit big. So these fit perfect. They're so fun, and what I like about them is sometimes when you buy designer shoes, you're buying like a higher heel, because a lot of designer shoes are high heels and you get wear out of them. But I feel like these type of shoes where there's just like a smaller heel, you get a lot of wear out of. And if you're gonna buy nice shoes, then you definitely want to get your wear out of them because you're spending a lot of money. So I think that going for a smaller heel is a really great option in luxury shoes. I don't really like flats. They're not my favorite thing. I just don't like the way they look. I don't like the way my feet feel in them. So I like a little bit of a heel for a daytime shoe, like a 1.5 to 2 inch, 2.5 inches, pretty much anything under 3 inches. I think I could wear during the day, and then like at nighttime, I usually would do like a 4-inch heel. But these are so perfect. They're so chic. They have this like kind of like Dorothy look to them, and they're kind of like a timeless shoe. I don't know, maybe they'll go out of style eventually, but this is like a classic shape, and I just like how gold they are and like super fun. This is actually a foil. It's not a glitter, so it's not gonna get, like, nothing comes off because it's not glittery at all. It's foiled. I love the little detail with the G on the side. I like that it's all gold. The whole shoe's gold. Obviously this is a different color gold than this, so it's a little bit different, but I really like it. If you get the silver ones, the G is also gold. So if you don't like mixed metals, that's something to consider because it's a silver shoe with a gold. I liked mixed metals, but because I already have the mules in that glitter silver color, I wanted to get gold because I felt like they would just be too similar. So when I originally saw these shoes, I was not a fan of them like a long time ago. I thought they were really ugly. And I had tried on the ones the same style, but the toes are open. And I tried that one and I thought that I liked that one, but then I saw the glittery foiled gold print and I really, really liked it. It looks really pretty with just like jeans, or you could even wear it with a dress, but I really like it with jeans and like a pretty top. You can do white jeans, blue jeans. It just looks awesome. They're just really cool. They really like elevate your outfit, make it a little more sophisticated. So I really love them. I'm going to insert a clip of me wearing them so that you can see what they look like. Super cute. Like I've said before, I love the heel height. It's the perfect heel height. These are really comfortable. I could walk all day in them. I will have to give you guys an update once I have been wearing these for a long time, just like wear and tear of them and just overall fit and comfort. I can't really speak to that right now because I just got them, so this is really just a true unboxing. But if you guys want me to do like maybe a 6-month update, leave a comment below and let me know, and I can do that for you. And let me know what you guys think of the shoes. You love them, hate them? I love to hear your comments. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.